guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are going to make some chocolate brownie. So you need about, forget how much is that, but I'll put it in the description of how much chocolate you need. And you need half a cup of butter as well. And before we start mixing our brownie, we have to prepare our baking tin. So that big, just spray it with oil spray. If you don't have any, rub it with some butter or oil. That would do. So after we put the baking paper, make sure the sides are also covered like that, ganyan po. And then spray again lightly on top. Ayan. So later, when our mixture is ready, we're just gonna pour it in there. And use a small pot and a bowl to melt your chocolate. It's a bain-marie type thing. Para i-melt ang butter and ang chocolate. We're just gonna have to stir it. Haluin lang po natin yan para ma-melt po yan. And we can make a chocolate butter. There you go. Our chocolate is melted. Na-melt na po yung chocolate po natin. I-set aside na lang po natin yan mamaya. Yan. And let's go make our egg and our sugar mixture. Our next step is 1 cup of granulated sugar or isang tasa po ng white sugar. 1/4 teaspoon po ng salt or asin. Kalahating cup po ng brown sugar. Half a cup of brown sugar. And now, we need 3 eggs to combine with our sugar mixtures. And we have to do it one at a time. So, kailangan po natin ng 3 itlog. Lalagay po natin siya one at a time. And we have to combine it one by one. We have to incorporate everything. Haluin po ng mabuti before we put the other egg. And that is how it should look like after the 3 eggs mixed in. So, hanapin niyo po yung ganyan na parang runny na po siya. And now we can put in our 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we just mix it through. And now, we have to mix our chocolate butter or chocolate mixture into our egg and sugar mixture. So, yeah, and then we just combine that two together until you cannot see any sugar and egg mixture, that they're gonna be well combined. So, haluin lang po natin hanggang halong-halo na po talaga siya. Tsaka po natin ilalagay yung ating flour. Now, we're ready to pour it in, our mixture in. And now we just have to spread it evenly. You just have to spread it even in your pan, like that, like so. And another way to help that one would be Give me a minute. By shaking and tapping the pan. There you go. And we're gonna put it in the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes on 180. What's our oven? Just place it in the middle of the oven. Sa gitna lang po. Here you go, guys. It's ready. We're just gonna let it cool down and then we're gonna slice it.